Today on How To Automotive, we're working on a 2012 Ford F150. The gas door is broken. The spring mechanism is broke on it. So the first thing we need to do is get the outer portion of the gas door off. It doesn't come with it. Here's the new part. And I'll show you the part number here. Part number right here. First thing we need to do is get this outer shell off. It doesn't come with it. So you're just going to get your little screwdriver or pry tool or screwdriver, flat blade screwdriver, and pry this tab outwards, and then you're going to slide the outer portion of it off. So let's see if I can do this one-handed here. I might have to put the camera down, but there you go. So you were able to slide it off like that. So you want to be careful not to scratch this up because you're going to reuse it. All right, next what we're going to do is grab the Easy Flow, Easy Fuel decorative ring here, or whatever you want to call it, and pull it off just like that. It just snaps on with these. Now you can go ahead and use the 8mm socket and the extension, and go ahead and remove these 3 screws. Okay, once you get the screws removed, it's still not going to come out. So what you got to do is you got to depress these little tabs here, 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 and here to get it out. Now the way I do it is I use a 90-degree hook tool like this. The flat spot there, the flat spot there, and the flat spot there. That's where those tabs are located. So now you can go behind like this and then rotate it down like that and then pry. And now that presses the tab. Now you're going to come over here, press this tab. Same thing here. You're going to get this in here and press the tab. So as you get those tabs pressed and pressed here, you're going to rotate it out like that. So now you can see this is off. Now to put your new one back on, you're going to slide it in the corner here and then rotate it back around and then line it up with the neck and then push it on until it snaps on. Rotated it in around the corner, and now it's on there. Now it just snaps on. Now you can go ahead and start the 4 screws or 3 screws. You got to bolt it back up. Everything is seated all the way around. Now you can take this ring here, just line it back up with the little grooves right here. There's 3 grooves here. You're going to line those all up. Once you get those lined up, you just press it on just like that. Now you can take the gas door, the decorative portion of it, and slide it into the grooves. Once you got it slid in there, you just slide it in until it locks into place. There you go. So I slid it in there. Now I slid it in until it locks into place. Now it's on there, and we're all done. I'm Brian Eslick from How To Automotive. Make sure you subscribe to the channel for more cool videos like this. Thank you for watching.